Welcome to this series of MERN Stack tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to build an e-commerce site from scratch. First, let's know a little bit about MERN Stack. What is MERN Stack? What are the benefits of MERN Stack over other technologies? MERN Stack consists of following technologies: MongoDB, React.js, Express.js, and Node.js. First of all, MongoDB is a document database that stores data in a JSON-like document. We may also use any other database such as MySQL, MS SQL, etc., which are relational databases, that is, they store data in tabular form. And the second one is React.js, which is a client-side JavaScript framework or front end for our application. And third is Express.js, which is a Node.js web framework that is built on the top of Node.js. And fourth technology is Node.js, which is a JavaScript web server or runtime environment for our application. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript code on the server. Let's see what are the differences between different popular stacks in JavaScript technologies. First is MERN Stack, which consists of MongoDB as database, Express.js as web framework, React.js as front-end, and Node.js as a runtime environment. Second one is MERN Stack, which consists of MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, and Node.js. Third one is MERN Stack, which consists of MongoDB, Express.js, Vue.js, and Node.js. The only difference is in front-end framework. React.js is provided by Facebook, Angular by Google, and Vue.js is created by even you. So what are the benefits of MERN Stack over other technologies? First point is single language JavaScript. It uses a single language, that is JavaScript, both on client side and server side. Therefore, it reduces learning time significantly. And because of JavaScript, a developer needs to write less code and code is much reusable. Third point is it is used to build REST APIs or representational state transfer APIs, which defines an architectural style which uses subset of HTTP for creating web services. Next point is that the application is built as single page application. So at any point of time, if some component of a web page needs to get reloaded, only that component is reloaded instead of refreshing whole the page. And the last point is the main advantage of using Node.js. It reduces server costs. Node.js runs under single-threaded and input-output operations are non-blocking. That is, it handles multiple requests without blocking other requests. Let's create our first React application. We are going to start first by creating a simple React web application. First of all, you must install Node.js on your machine. To install Node.js, go to the Node.js website and install Node.js for your machine. To check if Node.js is installed on your machine, open a terminal and type node-v and press enter. If it is installed, it will give you the version number of Node. Here I will install version 15.8.0. We are going to use VS Code for development. Let's open VS Code. First of all, let's create a directory for our project. Let's create a directory. Create new folder. Let's name this projects. Press enter. Open. Let's open a terminal here. Actions. Open terminal here. To create React application, we have to type npx create React app and the name of the project. Let's name this as demo for now and press enter. Our project is getting initialized. Now our project has been initialized, so let's open Visual Studio Code and open folder and go to locations. Then we have to select our projects directory and demo and OK. To run this project, let's open a terminal here and type npm start. Okay, if this message appears on your screen, then you have to set host. So let's press Ctrl plus C and set host equal to localhost, enter. Then again run npm start. Our React web application is successfully running in the browser. That's all for this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for upcoming videos.